I mean, I'm a poet, and so I just am always fascinated when poets shift different forms. So I just wanted to know how it felt. It might have felt euphoric and amazing. I have no idea, to shift from writing like collections of poems to a novel. Was there
Shit's
a
hard.
specific challenge or delight in that, Jill?
Okay. Novelists, close your ears. Poets, open your ears. Like, people read novels, like write a novel. Like, seriously, I want to be like the Moses of poets writing novels these days. You know, let us go forth and take over the place, because it's nice to be, it really is nice to be read. I mean, people do read poetry. You know exactly, you know what I mean.
I do. I totally do.
So sad. I mean, it might be the noble art, but it's you know, noble
Also,
gets you.
Poets should write novels, because I think poets make better novelists than novelists make poets. So, and that's controversial, but I have some fiction writing friends who are like, I'm gonna take a crack at poetry, who like really are in like steeped in fiction writing. I'm like, all right, you do that. We're just see how that goes.
That's the one thing that it's harder to, well, you know, again, we're used to writing things that are skinny and on the left, and you know, having sometimes it was hard for me to always know, until I did know, how to breathe, how to put more air into a moment, how to like open up the bellows, extend it, slow something down, how to speed it up. And of course, every time I sit down to write, I have to teach myself how to do that again, to varying degrees of success. To totally write a novel, like seriously, just, you don't even have to have like an idea, just sit, have a character, you know, have a name, have a title to the book. I had a title to the book before I had anything else. I just knew that was going to be the title.
But writing long things is so hard. Like, I feel like I'm just like, why? Like,
So
so
I'm working
hard.
on a manuscript right now, and I do timed sessions of writing, so I do several throughout a day. And because if I just sit there, try to get 2,000 words out, it's seriously shiny bird, you know. Oh, time to do my
You're
name.
the best trick yourself into writing person I've ever met.